Diana Stewart here. The CDC issued new guidance for cleaning and disinfecting just last week. As you may have heard, many industry and health experts have raised concerns about the overuse of disinfectants. The potential for short and long-term damage to people, facilities, and our environment is real. The CDC's new guidance is based on data and best practices. Clean well, clean often, and clean everything. Disinfectants have their place primarily on touch points used by trained professionals and with a two-step process that includes cleaning first. Spraying disinfectants everywhere on a regular basis is likely hurting more than it's helping. You don't have to take our word for it. You can check out the new CDC guidance right here. And remember, when in doubt, ask an expert, preferably an Envirox expert, because cleaning for health is our specialty.